Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Lord's Academy Secondary School Sauriang Hakathan Umroi kumshibenta ban Pynlong hagajingbut jamperkhat bat kham tam e ban Pynhlur ki Samla Pule bagin shim ya phang Saïan hagalan Pule puthi ga jongki benta ka sngi krala ban Pynlong the science exhibition halor ka phang pedeng blai kateng innovation is the key to the future. Hagani sngi lawan banadan katlang duwe mele ka Umroi constituency uba daman bat lamari ka mukongsan nalor ki principal ki nong hikai bat Samla Pule na ki we de ki school ba marjan jong ka than lambat ki kmiki pa jong ki Samla Pule ka ni ka school Lord's Academy Secondary School lingba ka ni ki exhibition la yo e ka jingshimbenta shitham jong ki Samla Pule ka school development i pat ba e ka jingshna ba pher ki jong ki ka kum ka jing start Saïan ki ba kanthop na do ka kamriang ka jingpen kho ki wa ki laser light ki hologram ka jingbam handro ka sngi bat ubnai na lor shibun ki we de u Father Francis C principal jong ka school haba ajingkran ha ka sngi ulong baka phang la ni ka subject Saïan kamre satya ka bakut tanghi kot kisla ni ki jaka wat banya handai ka deiru ka rukom perkhat perdan ka jingbu jingkali ba ka jingwat jingtep na saudong ka perthai ulong ru ba ka ni ka exhibition kamre satya tanghi ki project handai ka de ka jingpen i ya ka jing snotana jong ki Samla Pule banwat banya kumno kini ki ki ja ki ba penkan mauru yangi ba ka Saïan ka de ka bor ka bala banwanra ya ka jingkiu bat jingkala ka imlang ka salang u Father Francis ule thuru balingba ka ni ka exhibition ki Samla Pule ki la yo ya ka lat ka rinsan bakin pin ipat ba ya ka ba ki don ha ka jingmut jingperkhat ka jongki shabar jongki kamra class ban Pynlong ya kita ki jingmut dor ha ka jingthau bat jingshna ki ba shisha bat ka ba ki Samla Pule ki pin ipat ba ka ni ka singiru ka de ka ba ki lawat bnya kila 3 minut na ki ba bun kenta nakliang uba daman bat lamare MLA ka Umroi constituency habakran ha ka ni ka sngi ulapan pawe ka jingkman ban damin talang ha ka ni ka sngi bat ka ni ka school ka badiru ka sien ka baningkong ka ba uwan ban yu ka jat uba daman bat ulapan pawru ka jingkman skam bagani ka school kanangla ban penmi ki Samla ki bastat ba shemphang ki bala banwanra jingkala ha ka imlang ka salang bat airu ka jingyaro ki Samla Pule ki bla shiminta ha ka ni ka exhibition bakinangla ban kiyo shaplang ha ka jim ka jongki.
Then Brother Titus from St. Francis Assisi Umber, and one of our school leader to kindly come forward and do the honors. May it illuminate our path with wisdom, understanding, and creativity. Right, Lamare, you can take your seat.
Holographic video.
Soil and water, and it also depends on the weather. In this kind of
A holographic video. And when this holographic video gets reflected on the plastic side, it looks like the holographic actually image known as holographic or holographic. Apparently, the lecture was blended in 1998 as well as all down the class.
This is what you said? This is also the same, huh?
And I'm from standard 10. Today, our model is a hologram. A hologram is a technique that enables us to create a 3D picture or image of anything we want, which also helps us to study cases. So here, we are using our phone, in which we are playing a hologram. As a holography, a person named Dennis Bieber invented it in 1948. 1948. That's all. That's to know. Would you like to ask any question? Technique that enables us to create a 3D image or picture of anything we want, which also helps us to study cases. Here we are using our phone, in which we are playing a holographic video. And when this video gets reflected on this plastic sheet, It looks like or develop a 3D image known as holographic or hologram.
Human have shown that the canal water should purify the thickest 1/2 flow to the river.
After we have rivers and alarm on our neck to access.
Principal from Pynlong Higher Secondary School, Sister Cherise, Higher Secondary School, Sir T.K. Hima, Principal and Ma'am Joyma, Principal of Pynlong School, to the President of Saïan, Mrs. S. We would also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the CRC Judith Khar and Sister Rhoda, Sister Rosina.
The surface traveled by the solar energy. They involve evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. The rest will be explained by my friend.
Dokumen hari ini seni tiaw ki peladep isar bat imis kiawan ada ke phone call wilayah hero banyak kendo banyak keren bentar bagi khot ban invite yang ada bentar ke program kabelong bentar ke seni ke science exhibition jong ke school kabel bentar ada bagi dokumen bat hulu kadai ke sen ke penongkong ngayu kejat apa jong ke school Lord's Academy Secondary School. Hoi apa yang lenti, lapun sen ngai, yang ke school, ke building ke pulau. Ke lenti senang, ya senang lu mana ni, ya cetis pom sorry yang rola kan ni lenti. Ngasih ke school, tangan perjoyo lar ban wan kup gini ke program, ni ngapa yo lar ban wan ban pet ni ban ya ai porlang bat ke school, bat kena ke school. Nah tipok tirweng, bagani ke Lord's Academy Secondary School kanang la so ban pemi yaki kena ki bastat baki kena ki papas ki kena ki ban sapas ki ban select ni ke school ro ki long ki kena ki long ki kena ki pemi haki rong ki paparnai baki papar ki papar hoy ngar wambon ki kenten ban keren tangkawai ngakwa kendet ngakwa ban keren ni kini kena school ke ban jrong ke lenti ban yai kumbala ai tu kena itu kucing ruai hoi burabi kime ki kapa kata ga de sisa da burabi kime ki kapa tumyor ke jingkerku lalo ke jingim ke jongpi da burabi kime ki kapa ke jongpi kilongri kinong sumare pi na do pinang rek na do pinang sedang menyoi ke partai kita kime ki kapa kilongri kinong sumare pi Halo berpindah but awero mentah kejuk partai pemerintah bapon kini kena kimnang repan buram yala ki nong hikai ki jongki lene ki teachers ki jongki manau yepi kena kini kena school ki bae da pimnang ban buram ki nong hikai ki jongpi kadai ka jingdo nong ka jongpi namar ni I ku pemerintah ki bol ki kena kisau tenat ban sian dene ban nakai dene ban bain ban khoi kino hikai dene ban burom re ban misbehave dene ban discipline kino hikai kata ga de jing do nong ka jong phi da burom ki pina la so ban yo ka jing na jing start baka kham yar so da pin nang ban burom kino hikai jong phi kan de ka jing do nong ka jong phi bat tang kat to kan ni pin la ban pule pinam yo sore ka jing pule ka bapaka da kan mau bhai ka ne namar ngaro kawai ki por ngasih long kumpi ngala soto ila dei nangim dang ban burom bikinong hikai ka de ka jindo nong ba ka jong hi ka jong ngabat ka jong pi dah ka por hoj ngatharai ba mentah ka de ka science exhibition day tharai ki kena jong ni ka school lo kila pan khre ya ki baper tharai kita ki jingpin I ka jong ki apa ka ni science exhibition Gangit tera kadon sejrong momis baru ngin selek pecibet kan long kepi tenat. Bahasa sistem akwa ban penrapian kumbala keren dari father mene bato ngin sedang ban perkiu lene ban perkiu lene ban pet kenja kalong ku kenja skill Kumba yatho father mane hapo karwil kadon gowe go auto kepala abon kepala bo sharot lami klau utawe khuna drop out pas bharat ay class 3 class 4 ulala bansna yega helicopter daga auto kata ga de jing start ka jing nam donu te wala tare mde bangai mersi me pi ba utaw khuna pule lama menta kumba dui menta kisni de jok menta klem do pule tang uspe pa no ti khoj yagi toilet ni thau sumro umyo trele nei u driver ro klem daga qualification gano umyo raban thap jing tre no ro te pule ba tresh tam gano kam pule khnang ba we ne go kisni pniya ban khe u so pathiang aga jing im ga jongpi te ha ni ka por ngam bot kenten
creativity and scientific spirit. Science, as we know, is not confined to textbook or laboratories. It is a way of thinking, questioning, and exploring the world around us. Through this exhibition, our young minds have ventured beyond the boundaries of classrooms to bring their imagination to life-turning aspects into creations and theories into tangible ideas. Each model and display you see today is the result of hard work, teamwork, and countless hours of inquiry. These exhibitions are not merely projects, they are expressions of our students' passion to understand how and why things happen. They remind us that science is the driving force of process and progress, from simple discoveries to transformative innovations that shape our modern world. At Lord's Academy, we firmly believe that education must awaken curiosity rather simply providing answers. Events like this nurture analytical thinking, problem solving, and innovation, the very quality our nation needs for a brighter and sustainable future. I am proud to say that our students have lived up to that vision with enthusiasm and commitment. I take this moment to express my sincere appreciation to all teachers who guided and motivated the students patiently throughout their journey. Your dedication not only shaped their projects, but also inspired them to think fearlessly and independently.